So it's another episode again. We have a special dinner today on the beach. Because Doris is calling me right now. Anyway, we have a special like farmers dinner set menu, and then I make the drinks yesterday just to make it ready yesterday. Yes, Doris,
You still coming or not?
I'm here upstairs now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm here
We
upstairs.
got 18 people.
Huh?
We have 18, so you need to prepare for 18 people.
How many? 8?
18
18. Okay, yeah. What time we gonna start?
and 6.
At 6? Hey, once I'm done making drinks, I'm going home.
Huh?
Once I'm done making the drinks, I'm going home.
No problem.
All right, man. So that was Doris calling me. Thought that I'm still not here, so I'm upstairs right now, just making ready the preparation for the drinks for tonight. The farmers harvest. That's the name of the drinks. So I'll get the ingredients down here. There's the garnish. I just put it in about it's hibiscus flower. There's another name. It's sorrel flower, and then I get the 7 Phantoms rum. I think I have this downstairs. I get this downstairs, and I get the amaretto. This amaretto actually is a local made from Cayman Spirits, the same as the 7 Phantoms rum. And then I will get the sorrel syrup. I hide this from yesterday. So here we go. And then I need a lime juice. So this is the fresh lime juice. I need to squeeze more. So I'll give you a tour in the kitchen right now. They're preparing for the foods. And this is Wahid. Wahid. Al Maktoum. Alhamdulillah. Say hello to everybody, man.
Hi. How are you?
So this anyway, this new drinks for tomorrow was the farm table. This is gonna be named as the farmers harvest drinks. So sorrel, and then we use the amaretto also. This is all local anyway, and 7 Phantoms rum from the Cayman Spirits, and then the sorrel syrup. And then we use lime because it's like too sweet. So, and then this another sweet. So we use the lime to counter the sweetness of these drinks. This is not mojito for Michelle, but this is a new drinks. Yes, Michelle.
So now is the process.
Now is the process. So a shot of the 1 ounce of the 7 Phantoms. And then a quarter of the amaretto, and then same as the
Sorry.
ounce of the sorrel, and then ounce of the
Lime juice.
lime juice. And we're gonna use the rock glass for this, and then we shake it.
Shake it. Got a lot of air.
I know. Once you shake it with this shaker, you have to be careful because it cuts lots of air. And ice. See, look at the color, like a rose. That's how it goes. They put the cross eyes on top. So you can put the nice garnish.
That looks really like a summer drink.
Yeah. So this is the farmer's harvest. And you put this on top. And you put the mint leaves and then straw. The straw is too long, so I cut it a little bit. So this, and this is it.
So what the name of it?
So it's a farmer's harvest drinks. So this for tonight is the special bread. This is for the farmer's dinner. There we go. And this for the owner's party. Say look at that. mini pizza. Oh, the food's down here, right?
Hi. So, my friend, today I'm going to make the delicious dessert like plantain brulee, other one squirrel cheesecake. All dessert totally different. And the another one, it's, what we call
Pudding, no?
coconut pudding.
Coconut.
Did you see the brand yet he made?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, that's nice, man. That's really unique. It's good. Master.
What's up? All good.
Good. What you making now?
Yeah, this is the mango salsa tosto.
Oh, okay. There's one. There's a finished products. We're still making more. So it's dipping on this, on those hot oil. And the mustard is here. Really busy now.
Like that.
Yeah.
No busy.
This is number one. Number one. You know, number one chef in the island.
I'm inside number one, he outside number one. Everybody busy, everybody busy. Look what now.
Here we go. It's the dessert for tonight. For the farmers dessert. Look at that presentation. This is like 7-star presentation. So this is the expert over here, Chef Mokis. He's number one in the island. The only one.
Thank you
Working
so
at the
much,
Wyndham. Yeah. So they're working with us. We're lucky that to have this guy and to have this other guy too. Look at that. Strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, this one squirrel cheesecake.
Okay. I'm sorry, cheesecake. Yeah.
Another one, this one coconut pudding.
There's coconut pudding. This is coconut pudding. And there's sorrel cheesecake.
Yeah, this one plantain brulee.
And there's plantain rolling. So yeah, that's
So
really
later
good.
we're gonna buy it.
Yeah, this all local products. Same as the drinks. Presentation and everything is over here. And there's a kitchen right now. There's a busy time, and I'm here with Ray and Wahid. Al Wahid. JJ is the expert for. Thank you. That's the carpaccio. The seafood linguine. Steak. There's tickets.
This is my chef, right?
Well done. Thanks, all yours.
That for same table?
Same table, yeah?
Yeah, so this is how it works in the kitchen. Yeah.
You have the like you say. Yeah. Just whipping up like all the water from here. See?
See, that's how you clean it, right?
Yeah, that's from the first.
It's like a washing machine.
Yeah.
You know, when I used to work in Dubai, it's a big washing machine, man.
Yes, sir.
Like an actual washing machine, you know.
Yes.
So it's so quick, man.
Yeah.
And the juices is a big machine. You just grab a box of orange juice, and then it come out like orange juice, man. That's the washing machine for vegetable, for salad. My goodness. Yeah, there's kitchen, there's full access in the kitchen. So that's it for now. And again, you know, I can show how I make my drinks today, because when I go down to the bar, actually the dinner for the special dinner tonight, the farmers dinner tonight by the beach. When I go down, all the guests is already there, so I just make it. Nobody can hold my camera, so I cannot take all these videos and pictures. But anyway, it succeeded. Everybody's happy. They like the drinks, so there's the good things. And again, please, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Mixology, and then my Facebook page and my IG All right. Thank you so much. I see you when I see you. I see you next time. Bye bye.